Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to number sequentially. So as example, if you type 1 in here and then you can click in the right bottom, hold and then move to the bottom, it will be show for the number 1. But if you press 1 and the second cell 2, now you can sort again and click at this bottom right corner, hold, and then you can move to the bottom. It will be create a number sequentially. You also can create like from 5 and 6 and sort again, click, hold, and then move to the bottom here. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to number sequentially. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.